Giggle Kiddo World.
Moo cow goes on a walk, wears red boots and starts to talk. Moo moo here, moo moo there, mooing loudly everywhere. Wow, did you hear that moo? Can you moo too? Quack quack duck with the yellow hat waddles around and says, look at that. Quack quack fast, quack quack slow, splashes in the pond, go go go. Can you waddle like a duck? Ribbit frog jumps on a log, wears green shorts and calls his dog. Ribbit here, ribbit fun, hops around and starts to run like the frog. Let's jump together. Woof woof dog loves to spin, wags his tail and makes a grin. Woof woof wow, woof woof yay, let's all bark and jump today. Good doggy, shake your tail. Baba sheep, so soft and sweet, taps a tune with dancing feet. Baba bounce, Baba sing, twirl around in a woolly ring. Can you bounce like a sheep? Stomp, stomp goes the elephant big, wearing glasses and a curly wig. Stomp, stomp left, stomp, stomp right, he gives a trumpet with all his might. Whoa, that was loud. Can you stomp like elephants?
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow, kitty loves to play, chasing yarn all night and day. Paw, paw here, tail up high, she purrs and jumps into the sky.
Meow, what a playful kitty. Can you purr too?
Clap your hands and stomp the ground, let's all make a silly sound. Sing with friends from all around. In Giggle Kiddo World, fun is found.
Great job, friends. Let's sing again soon.